Make $1,000 by watching ads. Make 1 million by listening music. Fuck those trashes. They are dumb ways to waste your time. In this video, I will show you some genuine ways to make money, constantly only using your laptop or mobile phone. I ranked them from easy to difficult. Let's dive in. Number 1. Instagram theme page. Have you ever come across those stunning accounts that feature a specific niche or topic? Well, those are theme pages, and they are making tons of money. These pages mostly earn from promotion. This page has 1 million followers. He charged $500 for one promotional post. This page has 160K followers. They charge $80 per post. This page posts 10 promotion in last 10 days. He earns $800 in 10 days. These types of theme pages are easy to grow. If one post gets viral, everything's change. This is one of my page. I gained more than 10K followers from this post alone, so it's easy to make money from it. You only need to spend 1 or 2 hours per day and post consistently. You can sell your own product and share affiliate links. I will explain more about affiliate marketing later in this video. Number 2. YouTube automation. What exactly is YouTube automation? Well, it's all about using some tools and software to make videos easier. These tools can assist you with various tasks, like script writing using ChatGPT, video editing with Pictory AI, thumbnail creation using Canva, and keyword research using Vidiq. Those all tools are free of cost, or you can hire a freelancer for everything for better output. These channels are earning $2K per month. It is fully automation channel. This type of channels are better option to earn money in 2023. Number 3. Affiliate marketing. Finally, let's discuss the ever-popular method of affiliate marketing. This approach allows you to earn commissions by promoting products or services offered by others. But it requires influence, like Instagram page or any social media platform to promote those affiliate links. That's why I recommend you to start your journey from Instagram. The key to successful in affiliate marketing is building trust with your audience. Always be transparent about your affiliations and only promote products or services that you genuinely believe in. Provide valuable and honest reviews, comparisons, or tutorials to help your audience make informed purchasing decisions. It has huge market in future. In ClickBank, you can find some digital course. If you promote the products, you will get 50% commission from it. You can promote it in your Instagram theme page. If you are in business niches, you can easily promote affiliate courses and make money online courses, etc. Number 4. Investing in stocks. When it comes to stocks, it is important to approach it with knowledge. Let's start with the basics. A stock represents ownership in a company. When you buy a stock, you become a shareholder and have the potential to profit from the company's growth and success. To be genuine, I really don't know more about stocks, so you can learn it from experts, but trust me, it is the best way to invest if you analyze everything. Remember, making money online takes time and effort, but with passion and consistency, you can turn your online presence into a money-making machine. Do you want to know about YouTube and Instagram theme page business? Comment down below. I'm planning to make some paid tutorials for free, so I want to know how many of you are interested. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications, so you won't miss our future videos packed with more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I will catch you in the next video.